Hello and welcome to today's video blog. Today we will learn how to structure academic information. So what is our objective? It is to demonstrate understanding of a topic by structuring ideas visually and transforming them into coherent academic paragraphs. Now, for that, I want to show you a visual graph or also called like a conceptual map. In this case, for you, it is easier as a writer to do a brainstorming and also classify them, like I have it here in the picture. So, for example, our topic is gonna be AI enhances English speaking development. Some random ideas that you may have could be the benefits for students, the educational impact, how AI supports speaking practice, the role of the teacher, and now we're gonna add more information that can support the first step mentioned. So, for example, benefits for students. The confidence, it could be more practice, less anxiety, self-paced learning. The educational impact could be the autonomy, continuous practice, the exposure, and how AI supports speaking practice. Well, you have speech recognition, you have pronunciation analysis, simulations, and immediate feedback. The role of a teacher could be maybe the guide, how integrates tools, monitor progress, provides interaction, and what are some of the challenges and limitations that you may encounter? For example, the over-reliance, the limited emotion, access issue, and maybe you need more training. So now that you have that idea, let's see how can we transform them into words. So, our first one says how AI supports the speaking practice. In overall, it's because you're gonna use linking words. So you're gonna put them into a paragraph by saying first, second. You can use linking words and addition linking words, and as well as like I have it here. Artificial intelligence enhances speaking development through speech recognition, pronunciation analysis, and conversation simulations. These tools provide immediate feedback, allowing learners to identify errors and improve their oral performance more efficiently. Now, the same ideas as before, but well structured, well written. And now we have some of the benefits for students, which says AI offers learners greater opportunities to practice. It helps build confidence, reduces anxiety, and supports self-paced learning. As a result, by linking work, students become more autonomous in improving their speaking skills. Nice, right? So let's analyze the role of the teacher that now says teachers remain fundamental in guiding the effective use of AI. They selected appropriate tools, monitor progress, and provide human interaction necessarily for meaningful conversation. Another key role when you are structuring your ideas, it could be the use of punctuation. That matters a lot. Challenges and limitations. Despite its advantages, AI may encourage a reliance on technology, limited emotional understanding, unequal access, and the need for training can affect its implementation. And finally, the last category of the group says educational impact. AI promotes continuous exposure to English and encourages independent practice. When integrated properly, it contributes to a more flexible and learner-centered environment. Okay, so now you see how you structure all of these ideas by yourself. Remember, the use of linking words and punctuation matters a lot. So we can reflect that. Organizing this kind of information through a visual map improves a lot, maybe the writing part. And not just that, but it also helps you visually to identify relationships between the main concepts. Also, you can write the text and later reread it, showing coherence and logical progression in academic work. Plus, expanding each brand into paragraphs supports the development of well-structured arguments. So it's like a guide for you. And the activity reinforces the importance of planning before writing. Here we have some references, and thank you so much for watching.